welcome back to D-Rock Garage. Today we got a crazy episode. We are finally getting that frame swap on that 2016 Silverado Special Edition. I'm very excited. We actually got the whole frame to the guy, and that is actually going to be doing all the work because we don't have all the machines and all the lifts for all of that, so we just went ahead and gave it to somebody that we can trust to do it himself. So I'm headed there right now. He's already started the process. So since I'm able to get off work today a little bit early, I'm gonna get there and hopefully check it out, making a cool video for you guys. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you guys get notifications of new posts. Hope you guys stay tuned, and if you guys want to get an inside scoop of before YouTube, make sure to follow me on Instagram by D-Rock Garage. Links will be down in the description. Let's get it. So we have arrived to the shop where they are working on the frames. Here we are. Here is the new good frame right here. He's already swapped out quite a bit of harness already. Here's the bad frame right here. Got the wheel still on it. Got the transmission, engine, everything right there. Got this bed right here in pieces. This piece right here, and then some other pieces are everywhere else. The top is over up top. But yeah, here we are. Can't really tell how much it's bent from this side, but there she is, the big boy. But yeah, I mean, we would have worked on it ourselves, but we just don't have any forklifts or anything like that, so we couldn't exactly lift up the beds or anything. But yeah, these guys are coming along. Should be done this week, they are saying, so that'll be pretty sweet. Yeah, there's quite a bit of work here. You guys remember right here in the front, she was bent. Let's see if I can pick it up a little bit. There we go. Here's that front subframe just straight gone. This piece is totally out of whack. But yeah, there's that big boy engine, all messed up. Make sure to cover it up so it don't rain on it. But yeah, he's been doing a lot of it. I just wasn't able to come over here and record much since working a lot. Everything's covered up. But yeah, this frame looks really nice and clean. Here's where those hits were. So see how these pillars are straight? Yeah, that's what we need right there. And I believe that was affected as well on the bottom, so, and this piece. So there you go. Gonna get that nice and straight. And hopefully soon here she'll be getting put back together. Be pretty awesome. Can't wait to see this thing rolling on her own. To switch over, see how these pillars are separated right here on the frame right there. We're gonna have to take these ones where that transmission mounts right there, then this piece right here that goes under there, and the whole computer and everything like that, fuel pump. Gotta take everything off. They just have it all covered up just in case, because it looks like it's about to rain again. But yeah, she's definitely coming along, I can tell. Hopefully we build our own garage. That's what we're hoping for, and be able to put in a couple of lifts in there, stuff like that, so we can do our own stuff like this. But that would be pretty awesome. But these guys are doing an amazing job. Really good. Everything looks professional. I believe it's all going to get repainted and everything. Make sure it's nice and clean. Make sure it's not going to rust and everything like that. But as you guys can see, they're loaded with a ton of projects around here, so but they're doing their best. to get our project out as soon as they can. Here we got that rear bumper they took off, the little steps. That's how it connects right there with these little hitches, so you can have that hitch in the back and be able to tow things. Pretty sweet. I really like this design. We got the front cab on the left here, full on stripped obviously. Got nothing in there, but we're gonna look pretty sweet once we're done. It's pretty awesome. No damage or anything on this, so gonna be able to just put it on there and be all good, set and done. Progress is great. They're getting there, you know. Just waiting on a steering column pin that we got to change out. Hope you guys like this little update that we got for you. Before we actually wrap up this video, we are headed to Daniel TV, displayed here on the screen, and a link down in the description to their YouTube channel. They're the ones that are living next to right next to Goon Squad, and so they got some crazy builds going on. And I had got in contact to them, and they wanted me to come out and check out their truck that they're doing right now. So I was really interested because I really want to get one myself. After my brother got this 2016 Silverado Special Edition, I was just looking forward to get myself one. Hopefully one day. It'd be really awesome to actually get a truck and be able to go and actually tow your own cars, you know. Be able to get a ton more builds for you guys. So let's go ahead and go to their house, check them out, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and stop by Denny's TV, his garage. There's Goon Squad working on their boat, but stopped by their place. So I didn't want to really record anything because they were just in the process of doing a build, but we are definitely going to be going ahead and meeting up and making a day. Hold on, there's a police officer right here. We're going to go ahead and set up a day that I'm actually going to come out and help them. They're building a pretty sweet car. I'm going to be doing full engine swap, all that, so it's going to be exciting. But stay tuned for that. Pretty awesome build. I actually wanted to have one of those cars myself for a really long time, and but hey, hopefully one day I will. It'll be pretty sweet. But yeah, hope you guys will enjoy this little video that I had for you guys. Nothing special, but I thought I'd share with you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to hit that little subscribe button to get notifications of other posts that I'm going to do. And yeah, stay tuned. Until next time. Peace.
2,000 years later.
Welcome back to D-Rock Garage. Today, pretty exciting day. We are actually right behind the towing truck of our 2016 Silverado. You can see it right up there. About to turn right behind it. Gotta follow it all the way home. Finally getting it dropped off. Full on frame swap. Complete 100%. It's gonna be very exciting to go ahead and start out working on it to complete it all together. There she is. Gonna do a better walk around once we arrive back home. You guys can see we have made it. Look at that. We got cops over there. Car flew off the freaking road. Scary stuff. But here we are. Unloading process has begun. There we are. That looks nice. All in one piece. Alright guys, so she is finally back home. I'm going to do a small walk around. As you guys know, I was wrecked in the front, everything else in the rear is all good. Some extra parts in the trunk left over. These sweet wheels, pretty nice. I think they're just the original OEM, but yeah, I got the full suspension, full rotors, everything changed out in here. Gotta go ahead and swap these wheels out because we already reprogrammed these keys to work with the fob, so gotta switch it out. Plus that steering wheel has a hole in it, so gotta change it out. So yeah, I'll take these keys out, get to my broski just in case. But yeah, front end gonna be ordered really soon. Gonna be the whole full-on assembly. the headlights, everything. So yeah, coming along really quick. As you guys can see, we are diving in straight onto the steering column. I've removed some parts over here. We got to switch out, since we got the new steering column already in the vehicle, we got to switch out the key fob, the whole little assembly right there, and put it under this one, since this steering wheel has a crack in it right there, as you can see, a little hole right there. Kind of sucks. Plus from the junkyard, some guys ripped the cord off here, so we got to just change some little stuff, change out this little gear shifter, stuff like that. Airbag is going to be here soon, but yeah, she's coming along. I'm going to start removing the steering wheel. Going to first position it so it's nice and center, and then start removing the bolt right here so we can take the steering wheel off. Hopefully got a little bit more access to work with it, because there's just very little access to work in here, since everything, you know, in here. Otherwise the other one was a lot better since it's already off the car. But yeah, so that is going to be a wrap up for this video. I really appreciate all you guys and love and support that you guys are putting for me. There's no way I could have been here right now without you guys. As you guys can see, this Silverado is going to be soon back on the road, and I can't wait to show you guys how awesome it is. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button to stay tuned to the new posts that we're going to be building. And make sure to follow us on D-Rock Garage to get an inside scoop before YouTube. Got a ton of more builds coming up, so make sure you guys are staying tuned and hit that little bell so you guys get notifications of the new videos that are coming. Till next time, peace.